On a blank slide, go to Insert, click on Shapes, select a rectangle with rounded corners. Draw a rectangle, right-click, click on Format Shape, open up the Fill menu, click on Gradient Fill, remove the current settings. I want my gradient to go from top to bottom. The top would be the darkest color and the bottom would be the lightest color. Select the pin on the left. Let's give this a dark green color. Then add a pin at about 25%. Give this a slightly lighter green. Then add a pin at about 75%. Let's give this light green color. And finally, for this last pin, let's select the lightest of them. Then open up Line menu. Let's pick this green color for the line color. Then click on Effects, open the Shadow menu, select Offset Bottom. I'm going to choose this dark green color for the shadow. Next, go to Insert, click on Shapes, select this rectangle with top corners rounded. Draw a rectangle of this size. Match the radius of the curvature with the bottom rectangle. I want the size of this rectangle to be slightly smaller than this background rectangle. Next, select No Outline for this rectangle and click on Gradient Fill. For this rectangle, I want my gradient to go from top to bottom as well. So first, let me get rid of these existing pins. I just want 2 pins. So this left color would be at the top. Let me select white color, and for the right hand side, I'm going to pick this green color. I'm going to enter a transparency of 100%. And for this white color, I'm going to give this a transparency of 10%. Next, I'm going to enter the text. Let's call this Start. Let me increase the size. Let's also make this bold. Put this at the center and color this white. So that's our first button. Let's repeat that for an orange button. So let me put this at the bottom. Let me duplicate everything. I'm going to call this Stop. Place this at the center. Color this in the shades of orange with darkest on the left hand side and lightest on the right hand side. Then select this white rectangle. All I need to do is change this right hand side. Make sure the transparency is 100% for this right hand side. Select this larger rectangle, underline, give this a border that's also orange. Then click on Effects, change the color to this dark orange. That's it. That's how you create realistic reflections in PowerPoint. Follow for more.